नमस्कार, प्रुडंट मीडियाच्या खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार। आता पळया आयच्यो मुखेल खबरो। लोकांक विश्वासान घेवन प्रादेशीक आराखड्यान सुधारणा, बेकायदा खणींचेर कारवाय आनी माध्यम प्रश्नाचेर पालकांक पुराय मेकळीक। सोनिया गांधीन केल्यो फातोड्डा जाल्ले सभेन नेटाच्यो घोशणा। महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान गोंयांत येवपी मोटारीन 36 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीनां मेळिल्ल्यान शेनवारा पडलो बोवाळ। पेडणे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तपासले उपरांत मशीनां थर्मोकोलाची आशिल्ल्याचे जाले सिद्ध। गोयच्या राजकी पक्षांनी काडिल्ल्या जाहीरनाम्याचो गोंय चर्चीच्या काउन्सिल फॉर सोशल जस्टिस अँड पीसान केलो नियाळ। पक्षांनी मांडूंक नाशिल्ले महत्वाचे विषय लोकांनी पक्षाकडेन मागचे, काउन्सिलान केले आवाहन। रुदोल्फान उजवाडायलो ताचो सांताक्रुजा खातीरचो जाहीरनामो। काँग्रेसीच्या एका निरीक्षकान अर्ज फाटीं घेवपाक सांगिल्ले। रुदोल्फाचो खुलासो, म्हणटात दिनार आपलो प्रतिस्पर्धी, बाबुशाचो भंय ना। सावड्डे जिमखानान 53 रनांनी जिखली PWD आड जाल्ली मॅच। शुक्राराक कुडचड्यार जाली पत्रकार चषकांतली मॅच। सावड्डेचो तौफीक जमादार थारलो मॅन ऑफ द मॅच। आता खबरो विस्तारान। गोयच्या लोकांक विश्वासान घेवन प्रादेशीक आराखड्यान सुधारणा करतले अशें उतर काँग्रेसीची राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष सोनिया गांधीन शेनवारा गोंयकारांक दिले। बेकायदा खणीचेर कारवाय करतले अशी घोशणा फातोड्डे जाल्ल्या सभेन उलयतना तांणी केली। माध्यम प्रश्नाचेर पालकांक पुराय मेकळीक दितले अशें सोनिया गांधीन स्पश्ट केले।
like to mention two specific issues. I know that the Goa Regional Plan 2021 is a matter of concern to many of you. And as I said during my last visit here in Goa, the Chief Minister has affirmed before me that the plan will be finalized only after taking into account the views of all the stakeholders. Our party believes that parents should be able to decide on what language they want their children to study at the primary level. We have already taken very strong steps to deal with the menace of illegal mining and mining that destroys the local ecology. Mining acts are being amended, and that is why we have also notified the new coastal zone regulations that fully protect the interest of thousands of fishermen and other coastal communities. So, and we all believe that Goa needs new industry. The young people need new opportunity, new job opportunity, and they need to learn new skills to be able to access those jobs opportunity. Your natural resources need to be regenerated. And as we have done all these years, I can commit from here that we will continue to extend all necessary assistance to Goa so that these and many other goals are met.
महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान गोंयांत येवपी मोटारीन 36 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीनां मेळिल्ल्यान शेनवारा वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यांमदीं बरोच बोवाळ पडलो। पेडणे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडून ह्या मतदान यंत्रांची तपासणी केली तेन्ना ती मशीनां थर्मोकोलाची आशिल्ल्याचे सिद्ध जाले। पालिका वेंचणुके लोकांमदीं जागृताय घडोवन हाडपाक ही मशीनां तयार केल्ली। गोंयांतल्या फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉडाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक ती खरीच मशीनां आशिल्ली कशी दिसली।
पुण्याचो सतीश जाधव आनी साताऱ्याचो संजय जाधव आपणाल्या स्विफ्ट डिझायर मोटारींतल्यान गोंयांत येताले। भायल्यान येवपी मोटारींची तपासणी करपी वेंचणूक आयोगाच्या फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉडान ह्या मोटारीची तपासणी केली तेन्ना तांकां 36 मतदान यंत्रां दिसली। ही कितें तरी भानगड आसा असो दुबाव आयिल्ल्यान अधिकाऱ्यांनी तांची तपासणी केली तेन्ना तांकां तांचे लागीं 60,000 रुपया रोकड मेळ्ळे। फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉडान तांकां पेडणे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडून बारीक चौकशी केली तेन्ना ही मतदान यंत्रां थर्मोकोलाची आशिल्ल्याचे दिसून आयले। तांचे कडेन आशिल्ले पयशे संजयाच्या भावान दिल्ले। सावंतवाडी बँकेन चौकशी केल्या उपरांत हे पयशे वेंचणुके खातीर नाशिल्ले ही गजाल स्पश्ट जाली। थर्मोकोल मतदान यंत्रांची आनीक भानगड नाका म्हूण ह्या तरणाट्यांनी ती मशिनां पेडण्यास भायर मारली. पुलिशे कडल्यान पयशे घेवन ते तरणाटे मुखार गेले. शेनवारा सबंद दीसभर ह्या मशिना विशीं सगळ्याक भासाभास चलताली.
Whatever I see personally, that is nothing very serious or nothing very.
This will, and in this there are two parts. That means it is educated for considered responsibility.
You cannot just say anything just now. So you can just ask him, and accordingly you can take a suitable decision.
पेडणेच्यान आमचो खबराकार विनोद मेथर.
गोंय चर्चीच्या कावन्सिल फॉर सोशल जस्टीस अँड पीसान गोंयच्या राजकी पक्षांनी काडिल्ल्या जाहीरनाम्यांचो नियाळ केला. चर्चीन केल्ल्या नियाळांतल्यान मेळिल्ल्या माहिती प्रमाण गोंयच्या पक्षांनी 73वे आनी 74वे कलम चालीक लावपाचे, आराखडो परत करपाचे अशे कांय म्हत्वाचे मुद्दे तांच्या जाहीरनाम्यान मांडिल्ले नात. लोकांनी पक्षांकडे ह्यो मागण्यो करच्यो अशें चर्चीन मागला.
Except for the single dwelling units in settlement zone. Moratorium on sale and conversion of this land. To enact appropriate legislations, policies, programs in consonance with the 73rd and 74th Amendments. To address the key concerns mentioned above, what we have said also. Implement of necessary development controls have to be coming out. Once a moratorium is done, the development controls have to be addressed. Reformulation of the regional plan was being, but after the abrogation of this 73rd, after abrogation of the Town and Country Planning Act 1974, following which this regional plan has to be formulated. After introducing the Goa Development Planning Act framework which has been introduced and getting it on board. Setting up a functional Human Rights Commission, a Minority Rights Commission, impose a ban on illegal mining in the state, and to appoint an independent commission to conduct an environment inquiry into the feasibility of the existing mining activity. Only that would give us how much of mining can really happen into this state. Therefore, there has to be a ban on illegal mining, and also an environmental inquiry has to be done in order to understand how much of mining can actually happen in this state. As we have said, devolution of powers means the functions, the functionaries, the finances, the local self-governing institutions in a time-bound manner has to be looked into. And protecting the traditional livelihood of the Goan people and preserving the culture and unique environment of the state. This is what we have gathered from people stating across through the feedback that we have received over these years.
Right now the panchayats are like, birds without feathers. The land is belonging to someone else, and panchayats are given some superficial duties to do. When the land is not in your hand, you have no control over your natural resources. What governance can you do? So this is the whole issue that is very crucial to the whole debate, which unfortunately no manifestos are taking up.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.